The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain how to revoke a will in Illinois. There's three ways to do so. One is forming a new will that contradicts the terms of the previous will or explicitly states that the previous will or all previous wills are revoked. And the thing to understand here is that if there's multiple wills that have been properly executed, the one that's later in time controls and the previous ones are invalid to the extent that the later one contradicts them. Another way to revoke a will is destroying the original and all copies. Now, if you're going to do it this way, you've got to make sure that you know where all the copies are and that you've destroyed all of them, because if after you pass away someone finds a copy, they can claim that that is your most valid will, as long as there's no later wills or other revocations that exist. Finally, the most straightforward way to revoke a will, if you don't want to create a new one, is to sign a document declaring that the previous will was invalid and execute it in the same way that you would execute a will. So basically, the document will say, I hereby revoke the will that I executed on such and such date, and it needs to be signed in the presence of two witnesses. Everybody needs to be of sound mind and over the age of 18, and if you do that, generally that's legally sufficient to revoke your previous will. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and you'll be notified of our daily article, video, and podcast topics that we're posting. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.